Hello guys, welcome back to Jesse James Creations. That is if you are a returning viewer, and thank you for always stopping by to watch my videos. And if you are new here, welcome. My name is Jessica and I welcome you to feel free to watch this video to the end, like, subscribe and comment. So today I'm going to show you how to unlock, or rather how to uninstall Supernatural Locs after 5 months. And this is how it looks like when it was freshly installed, the first day of installment. This is exactly how it looked like. Okay, yeah, so I'm going to show you a few pictures, then we are going to proceed to the main video today. So at this point, this year was exactly 7 weeks. That's the first time we did the first retouch after installment. So thereafter there have been so many other retouches, and now we have to undo it. We have to uninstall the Supernatural Locs because it has already served the purpose. Okay, 5 months is not a short period of time with the same hairstyle. So during installments, we used fluffy kinky to secure it. So that's what we have cut using the pair of scissors a while ago, as you can see. So after that, we are going to unwrap it anti-clockwise, as you can see. Yeah, that's what we do until it's all out. Then look for the hair and remove it from the loop. Her natural hair was actually braided before looping it using crochet needle. It was looped inside the Supernatural Locs before wrapping it with the Afro Kinky. Okay, as you can see, now it's out, and we are going to repeat the same process. In case you didn't understand, we are going to understand it better. After removing all the Supernatural Locs, we apply some hair conditioner and massage it gently into the scalp from the root to the tip of the hair. That way we avoid the breakage of the hair and also the client will not feel any pain during the removal while we undo the hair. Okay, so make sure you massage it gently and all over, from the root to the tip. And as you can see, you really have to use a generous amount of hair conditioner in order to help it spread all over the head. Yeah, because you really have to spread it from the root to the tip of the hair and massage it better using your 2 hands. At this point, the hair is already soft, so we can already begin the removal, and we remove it gently before we wash and blow dry. Okay, this hair has really grown. It was too short the last time we did it. It was too short. I wish I had shown you before. This is a tremendous growth. I don't know how to pronounce it. Tremendous. So thank you so much for watching this video. I love you all. Bye.
Hold me close till I get